Hello, welcome back. So, you're probably like, what's going on here? Well, I am making over the movie room. If you want to see the end product, continue to watch. Okay, so simply to get started, I have to kind of come this way. So we have here the movie theater snack area. Underneath our drinking cups, tea stuff. But this is the most important part for the movie theater. So this is how it looks in here. Albums, my hats. Could not figure out, where to put some of my hats, so they're right there for display. We have here some books and albums. Teddy bears, everywhere. Little corner right there. We put all the movies that we're gonna watch. My sports stuff. Painting. I have a lot of art. So I'm gonna need a big space, once I am no longer here. So yeah, we have some magazines right there, some CDs, more so these are music, games, got games in here. So on this level are games, family pictures and stuff. Bottom levels are VCRs, DVDs, family pictures, my siblings and stuff. Games on the bottom level, magazines, what else? Coffee table books. And let us set up here of movies, old movies, new movies, old movies mainly. Yeah. So just turn it on. Alright, so it gets pretty dark in here. So yeah, it gets pretty dark in here. And then once we turn on the movie, the lights come on. The lights come on. Let's put on something. Anyways, so yeah, this is how it would look as we are having a movie night. Okay. I want to put some more lights like those in here. Anyways, this is how it turns out. You know, games there too. Tic-tac-toe, you know, chess pieces. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. You got to see a little bit of the chaos it was while I was cleaning, and I finally was able to fit all my pieces in here, meaning couch sitting areas. There's 5 of us, siblings, parents. Sometimes we'll be down here just, you know, watching a movie, or we can be in the room, you know, the TV area upstairs. But this is a little cozy, so we have movie nights in here. Anyways, let me know down below what you guys think about the movie area, TV movie room. I'm not trying to pick this up. Yeah. Make sure you hit that like button, that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next week, Monday. Actually, I'll see you tomorrow for my next video. Goal is to post every single day of the week except for Saturdays and Sundays. Make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new. If you're not new, thank you for being part of the family. If you are, join the family, and I will see you next time.